Snowing like crazy right now. The poor robins in the trees don't know what to do. They're all confused. You can't see it, but in the pine tree over there, there's probably about 50 robins. We're supposed to get about 6 to 8 inches of snow tonight. And I almost fell off the steps of the deck. That was fun. Not. It's pretty, but it's a scene that I would much rather see. Oh, there goes Lucy. In December instead of April. Lucy! Birdies! Lucy! Did you see the birdies? Did you see those birdies? There's birdies! Where's those birdies? Are they up in the tree?